Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this type of error on Snapchat C14A in iPhone and iPad. So how to fix? First of all, go back your home screen and open your iPhone and iPad setting, then tap on Wi-Fi, and from here you make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection. Turn off this toggle at least the 30 seconds. You have turn it on, and after that go back and scroll down, then tap on journal, then tap on iPhone storage. From here you scroll down, then tap on Snapchat. From here what you need to do it, offload your Snapchat app, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then open again setting, tap on journal, then transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset, then tap on reset network setting, enter your passcode, then tap on reset network setting. After reset network setting, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back, then open your app store, search for this Snapchat, tap on Snapchat. From here you as can see update. What you need to do it, update your Snapchat account, tap on update, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the method it doesn't work, then go for the last method. Open your Safari app, tap on Google, and from here search for this Snapchat Sports, tap on this, tap on first link Snapchat Sports, scroll down, tap on content us. From here select second option, I cannot access my account, tap on this, scroll down, and tap on last option, I see an error message, tap on this. From here you as can see still need help, tap on yes. From here enter your username, enter your active Gmail, enter your phone number, enter your device name. From here choose a file, send your problem, tap on done. From here enter your problem, then tap on submit. After submit, Snapchat team connect your Gmail or phone number, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am help you more. Thanks for watching.